Okay, this is live news with the Parrot and his singing bird. I don't know what kind of song he's playing, but it sounds like rap. Here's the bird.
So, Joshua, explain what you are. What am I?
Parrot.
I'm a
Look
parrot.
at the camera, Josh.
And what are you?
I'm a bird.
You're my parrot?
Yeah.
So I have my little pirate bird right here. And he sings.
Sing, Josh. Take the one there.
Crazy bird.
Yeah, crazy bird. Now, funny girl, thank you very much for coming to National with me.
One more time.
And one more time for these guys.
Woo! One more time.
Let's sing.
Parrot. You have to hide your hand if you're a bird.
Like that.
Birds don't have many heads, Cal.
You have to rest on my shoulder. Put your chin on my shoulder. No, not your hands, your chin.
I'm blocking the news right now. Are you ready, you guys? Okay, they're ready.
And you're a parrot, which means you're supposed to repeat everything I say.
Josh, what Mommy says you have to say.
You gotta keep your head on the shoulder.
Yeah. Are you repeating what I say?
Move your head, Cal.
No, you're supposed to repeat what I say.
Say what Mommy says.
Kyle is a big balloon. Kyle is funny.
Mommy is
Cal,
weird.
move your head, Cal.
There you go. My parrot didn't repeat what Kyle said because it's my parrot.
Josh?
John.
Cal, keep your head out of the camera.
You want to be Kyle's parrot
You
now?
want to be Cal's parrot now?
Mommy is weird.
Come here.
Think that. We'll want that. For sure, let the voice and make your bee go.